Now that your print-on-demand shop is set up, it's time to make it look professional. Today, we're diving into the theme and publication settings within the Mixam Publisher Hub. In this video, we'll cover how to customize your publisher landing page, how to organize your books into a series, and how to add product badges to your best sellers to make those products pop. Let's dive in. We'll start things off with Home Base, aka the Theme tab. This tab can be accessed under the Publisher Hub, and on this tab, you'll have the option to create a publisher landing page, which enables your customers to view and explore all the print-on-demand projects you have active. To do so, select the Active button at the top and enter in your name and desired page address. You can also add a hero image and some introductory text to fully customize this. Don't forget to hit save at the bottom to see all the changes in action. If you'd like to customize your POD project pages even further, navigate to the Publication Theme tab at the top of the page. On this tab, you'll be able to change the Mixam logo to your own and edit all of the colors on the page to reflect whatever theme you'd like. After hitting save, these changes will appear on all of your POD project pages and the publisher landing page. Next, let's head over to the My Products tab, where you'll be able to manage the individual details of all of your projects. To help customers find your work, you can add genres, and to do so, click Edit on a project and jump to the Product Details tab. On here, you'll see a product genre drop-down box where you can add up to 3 genres for your project. Tagging these genres ensures your work appears in the right searches for your customers. Another recent addition is product badges. If you have a top performer, you can now toggle on labels like bestseller or fan favorite. These badges appear directly on the product thumbnail, giving your new customers that extra nudge of confidence to click buy. Finally, one of our most requested features is the ability to group books together, and you can now do so by creating a book series. To do so, go back to the My Products tab and click Book Series at the top. Click the New Series button and enter in your series name, status, and prefix. From there, any main projects in the series you'll add to the Main Content tab, and any relatable projects you can add to the Related Content tab. Once complete, hit the Save button and your series will be saved to your publisher landing page, where your customers can purchase the entire series all at once. By taking a few minutes to customize your theme and add a series, you're turning a simple POD shop into a professional brand experience. If you have any questions about these customization options, check out the FAQ page on our website or drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.